Hello guys, this is the Tribeca and I will show you how you can remove the side mirror. Also I will tell you about replacing the mirror glass, so how to avoid to breaking it. So let's start with it. So first you're gonna remove two screws. One is here beneath this plastic piece, and another one you will find here beneath this piece of rubber. You can see it here. So let's start with it. So now you need to see, you can pull it up with your hand, fingers. Be careful in the middle. Now you're gonna unplug this cable. There is a pin, you push on it. Like that. So if you want to put it back, there is a kind of a piece, so you start with like that side here, you push it, and after you push it back here. So now we left only clips around this panel, so find the place when you can grip it. This part also keep it in the place, so on this part you might need something like that, so you will not do any damage to that kind of lever stuff. So this is it. There's a clip here, there, here, here, here and here, and one here. So let's pull it and see if it goes. Yeah, you see? So now it goes easy. Okay. Next you have a few cables here. So you press on a pin here. And another one here. That's it. So next part will be this. You just pull this triangle away. Now you have 3 screws here and 1 cable to unplug. And then just in case, you might hold it here, because if it's not stick properly and you release all screws, it can fall off. So let's go on the next step. I will talk about this glass. Okay guys, so we got to that mirror assembly, and why I need to replace it, because the frame of the mirror itself got cracked. So we have kind of patch here, you see, it was very annoying. And also I see the cracked part here. It doesn't do any actual bad, but still. You might find a video on YouTube, like they can suggest you do this thing and you just grab it here and they pull it. So don't do that, because you're gonna break the plastic support what holds in place that plastic frame with a glass. So I have one here with broken glass. If you need to remove the glass and its plastic frame from the mirror assembly, you should use the tools kind of like that, a thin hook or something, plastic, not the metal kind of a screwdriver. So you hit at the beginning with a heat gun or hair dryer, kind of the middle area here, and after you start, you try to pry the glass carefully, going around the glass, and pay huge attention on the corners, because I broke this glass exactly at that corner, because it's pretty tight and it's not kind of holds in place by the glue, but rather by this frame. And so you pry it like that, go around, and that's it. Once you leave the mirror, you will see the heating element here, and the wires will be connected here and here. Next, what you do, you see this screw, you unscrew it, and you remove the plastic frame. This is it. I broke this white plastic piece here, and you can see it. It's easy to remove it after, but not when it's in its place, like that. So basically I broke this. It was a white plastic circle here with a hole. I need to fix this case. So what I'm gonna do, I have that left side hole assembly, and I will remove this plastic what matches with color of my car, because I have the same like white piece, it doesn't match. What I'm gonna do now, I figure out what, if you have a flat screwdriver, thin one, and push it here, you can pry it but also you will need something like that to go inside. Once you hear a click, a snap, it means you just release a clip. If you look here closely, you see there are one here, third one, fourth, fifth, sixth here. So you can work it out carefully. If you push too much on this part, it can crack. So I have a few things like that. Some of them thinner, some of them thicker, so our goal is to unclip those clips. Okay, so if it doesn't go, you can move to the kind of different place and try it. Since it's the first time we try to do that, it might be kind of harder, but it seems now it's going well. As you can see, doing that way seems to be going good. Okay, so we released this part, as you can see. And now if I have a here white piece, I just will remove this white piece and put this one, and basically that's it. I want to see what I can do, just have an access from this side. Okay, so result is positive. We can replace this part without having access through the glass. We have a pin here, we just push it somewhere here, and basically that's it. You see? Okay guys, at the end I suggest you to be kind of easy on this part, because trying to remove it I broke it. Here you can see it, right? So you might go trying to use the flat screwdriver or something like that, pushing it from this side, from trying to pry it out, because I was going that way, like from here, and I broke it here. So this is it. Good luck.